Section C, question number 3. What is the encryption? Differentiate between symmetric and asymmetric encryption in terms of speed, complexity, security, and key structures. You have to provide the definition of the encryption, and then you will discuss 4 parameters, and you will discuss about this one. What is the difference between symmetric and asymmetric? Okay, let's start the encryption. Encryption is the process of converting readable data into an unreadable from the protection from unauthorized access. They are changing a such type of data in which other users cannot be readable, cannot read. This is the purpose of encryption. Suppose I want to give you one example. You have written a name Atif. A-T-I-F, Atif. Okay. When you will see that, what is the number of A? A is on number 1 position. You can see that A is number 1 position. You can add 2 more. Suppose 1 plus 2, 3. 3 is C. On 3 is C. You are writing here C and then T. Then T. Suppose these are the alphabet I have written A, B, C to A to Z, and I have given the name 1 to 26. As you know that alphabet are 26. Then T. I am looking T. What is the number of T? T is on number 20. 20 plus 2. What I am adding? I am adding every number with plus 2. I am adding with plus 2. Okay. In case of plus 2, 20 plus 2, 22, and on 22 new number is V. Then I is on number 9. 9 plus 2, that is K. And then next number is F. On F is on number 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. Now student, when you will want to send this number Atif on internet, I am changing this number with plus 2 and new number will become CVKH. Okay. Now, when this number received by the receiver, then it should be de-encryption with minus 2. Same way they will go to minus 2, and when they will do minus 2 with every number, it will become Atif. A-T-I-F. Same way. Okay. So this is just very basic level encryption I am telling you. Okay. This is the key. This is the key that is used for encryption. Okay. Plus 2. This is very basic, simple. But nowadays, if you will write A contains maybe 40 characters. It depends on which type of algorithm you are using here. Clear? This is one of the example of the encryption. Encryption, we will discuss the difference between symmetric and asymmetric in terms of the following: speed, complexity, security, and key structure. Speed. What is speed? In symmetric, encryption is faster. If you were talking about speed, in symmetric it is faster, while in asymmetric encryption is slow due to complex calculation. Number 2, in complexity. In complexity, symmetric is simple and require less computational power in complexity. Okay, while in asymmetric complexity, in terms of complexity, is mathematically complex and require more processing. Okay, as I have shown you one simple processing, one simple calculation, how you will encrypt our data. Next one is security point of view. Symmetric is less secure because the same key is used for encryption and decryption. Okay, as I told you in encryption must be one key is used. Okay, what key is there? According to that, they are telling it is same key. Asymmetric is more secure since it uses two separate keys. One is public key and other one is private key. Number 4, key structure. If you will see the structure symmetric, one shared secret key, and while in asymmetric, it shared two keys, public key for encryption and private key for decryption. Next question is, what is data collection? Compare primary and secondary data collection method based on the originality, cost, time required, and reliability. Okay, data collection. Data collection is the process of gathering information. In data collection, we are used to gather some information from different places, from different users, from different environments, from different sources to analyze and make decisions. The purpose is to analyze. We can analyze with the different angles, and then we have to be able to take one decisions. We can produce a new system, we can design a new system, we can evaluate a system like that. We will discuss about these are the basics: originality, cost point of view, time requirement, and reliability. Okay, as we know that we have primary data and secondary data. In primary data originality point of view, this is first hand and original data from where we are getting the information. While if you will move to secondary data, it will previously collected by others, and then we are using that previously collected data. In terms of cost, expensive to collect, and in terms of cost of secondary data, cheaper and easily available, because you are not getting directly, you are getting from others. About time requirement, primary data, because you are collecting at the first time, it should take more time. That's why it's time consuming. While because you are accessing from others, we can say this is quick response or quick access, quick to access. Reliability terms, more accurate and reliable because you are gathering the data in first hand. While secondary data may be little bit, maybe can be changed, may be outdated or less specific. Okay. Move to the next question. Next question is, use a three variables K map, simplify the following Boolean function f, also represent the simplified Boolean expression with a logic circuit diagram. First of all, we will design a master table. Okay. Here I will design a master table. Okay. In master table, how many variables are there? A, B, C. There are three variables. We have to design means 8 combinations. Okay, K map. I'm using to K map. Okay, by using K map. Okay, first of all, I am going to design a master table for the K map. Okay, this is very easy. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here I will write 0. Here I will write 1. And here I will write 0, 0, 0 number means 0. Here I will write 1 number. Here I will write 3 number. Here I will write 2 number. Okay, because due to K map, due to gray code, we are not write continuously 0, 1, 2, 3. That's why due to gray code, we are writing 0, 1, 3, 2. Okay. If from left side, row is 0, column is 00, row is 0, column is, I'm giving a binary code 0, 1, binary code of 3 is 1, 1, binary code of 2 is 1, 0. Okay. Now 0, here I will write 0, 1, From row side is 0. From column side is 1, 1. I'm writing 0, 1, 1. Next row is 0. Column is 1 and 0. Next row is 1. Column is 0, 0. Row is 1. Column is 0, 1. Row is 1. Column is 1, 1. Row is 1. Column is 1, 0. Okay. Now I will write A, B, C, all the columns. A, B, C. A, B, C. If they have written X, Y, Z, you will write X, Y, Z. A, B, C. All the boxes you will write A, B, and C. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. Now student, where is 0? You can give a complement on that letter. A is 0, B is 0, C is 0. Next, A is 0, B is 0. Next, A is 0. Here A is 0 and C is 0. Here B is 0 and C is 0. Only B is 0, no 0, and C is 0. Okay. Now same way, by using the same master table, we can put the value that is given by you. Okay. What are the values are there? Value is, first of all, A, B prime, C prime. This is located at this location. You can see that A, B prime, C prime is here. Okay, I have given the same location here, same position. This is done. Next one is A prime, B prime, or C. Here is A prime, B prime, C. You will see that this column, this value, A prime, B prime, C. You are giving 1 is here. This is done. Next one is A, B, C prime. A, B, A, B prime, C. This value, A, B prime, C. I'm writing here 1. Done. Next one is A prime, B prime, C. Here I will also circle. If I'm going to circle all. Okay. A prime, B prime, C. This value, A prime, B prime, C. You are writing 1 here. Okay. Now from here, what you have written, A prime, B, C. A prime, B, C. This you have done. A prime, B, C you have done. Okay. Next, A, B, C. This is A, B, C. At this stage, this position, A, B, C is also done. Next one is A prime, B prime, C. A prime, A prime, B prime, C. A prime, B and C prime. Okay. That is this value, and you will find here 1 is here. Okay. Now you are going to make a group. If you will see, you can make one group is here. Other group is this. And third group is this. Now you will see that in this group, I'm writing in this group. In this group, values are from here. A, B, A prime, B prime, C is there. Second, this is the value group number 1. Value is this A prime, B, C. Third is this. Third is this. Okay. Here you have written A, B prime, C. And fourth one is this value. This value, and here they have written A, B, C. This is a group of four numbers. Okay. Four terms. Okay. Now you can see that which one is common. This one is common all the. Okay. Now you can write answer is F equal to C. plus. Okay, this is finished. Now I'm going to calculate this group. In this group, what are the common is there? What are the values are there? Mean this group and this group. I'm writing here A, B, C prime, A prime, B and C prime, and A prime, B and C. You can see that here common is A and B are common. These two are common. You will write A prime and B plus C. Now you are taking this group. This group. This group is here. This one and this one. Now you will see that which one is common. A, B prime, C prime, A, B prime, and C. Here you will see that you have A, B prime is common. Common. A and B prime. Okay, this is your simplified Boolean function. F equal to C plus A prime B plus A B prime. Now I'm going to draw the circuit. Okay, when you will draw the circuit, you can see that. Okay, you want to draw the circuit of F equal to C plus A prime B plus A B prime. Okay, you have written here A, B and C. Here you are giving not of A. Here you are giving not of B, and here C as it is. Okay. First you want to write, suppose this A prime B. There is an AND gate. You can write AND gate. Not of A and B. B is this. AB. This is done. Plus A B. AND gate is here. AND gate. And they are getting A. I'm getting A from this point. Okay. Now I need B prime. B prime. I'm getting B prime from this point. Okay. And next what I need, C plus C. Here I'm getting OR gate. This is OR gate. OR gate use C. C, you are attaching C. Next, A prime, B, or output of this. And next, A and B prime, output of this. Okay, this is your F output. Okay, clear? Now we are moving to the next point. Next question. Next question is write a Python program that takes a number and print its factorial. Next question is write a Python program that reads three numbers and print their product by using a function. Okay, we will start this one. You can see that what I have written, I am going to define a function. Function name is product. They are taking three parameters A, B and C, and After this, they will return A multiplied by B multiplied by C. Okay. Your program will start from this line. Num1. Suppose you are entering num is 2. They are asking float, enter the second number. Second number is 4. Okay. Enter the third number. Third number is suppose 3. Okay. Call the functions and display the result. Num1 value is received by A, that is 2. It will receive by 2. And num2 value is received by B, that is value 4. B is 4. And num3 value is received by third variable, that is 3. In this case, no. 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 means 24. 4 2s are 8. 8 times 3, 24. 24. Due to this statement return, it will return back here. Mean in place of this, it will write 24. Now you can see that it will become result equal to what they will become, result equal to 24. Okay. Then they will show print the product of 3 number is, this is a message, and then they will show the result. Okay. You can see this is a program. Okay. I'm going to run the program. When I will run, it will ask first number, second number, third number. Then they will call the functions and then they will display the value. I'm going to run this. Run. Okay, enter the first value, suppose 2, enter the second value 4, and third value is 3. Answer is 24. Okay, I'm going to run it again. You can give any value. Okay, maybe 5, maybe 6, maybe 8. Answer will be 5 6 are 30, and 30 times 8 is 24, means 240. Answer will be 240. Okay, so next question is, use the binary search algorithm to find the number 75 from the given set of numbers, that is 9, 10, 26 and 75 is there. They will find this number. Okay, I will show you. This is the list of array. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Okay, first is 9, second number is 10, 26, 34, 41, 58, 67, 75 and 83. Okay, you are giving the index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now from what I will do, binary search, what they will do, okay, you can check that all the numbers are in a sequence, in ascending order. 9, 10, 26, 34, 41, 58, 67, 75, 83, all are in ascending order. If numbers are not in ascending orders, then number must be, you should write in ascending order. Otherwise, it will not be working correctly. Okay. Then you will find the lower value, and lower value is 0 and higher value is 8. You can say that left value is 0 and right value is 8. You will add 0 plus 8 divided by 2. Answer is 4. Your mid is at 4. You can find that value that you are going to be search, that is 75. 75 is equal to mid. Now mid is 41. Mid is 41. Mean it will check that 75 equal to mid. Value of mid means list name is suppose A. It will check that A of mid is there, mean that is 41. No, If no, then they will check that whether your key is greater than of this mid value. If it is greater than, then you should move towards the right. Then what they will come, the next element of mid will become left, and right will stay the same. That will be there. Okay. Now you will see that next step. What are the left? What are the right? No. Left is no, number 5. Okay. Right is on number 8. 5 plus 8, 13 divided by 2 answer will be 6.5. If you will take integral by 2, you will get 6. They will find that mid is on 6. They will find that mid is 6, mean they will check that 75 equal to 67. No, then they will replace the mid according to the if your value is greater than mid, then you move to right side. If value is less than mid, then you will move to the left side. Okay, now in this case, left will change. Left will reach on number 7. Okay, this will become the left, and R is on 8. Now in this case, left equal to 7 and right equal to 8. Okay, means 7 plus 8 divided by 2, 15 divided by 2, it will give you 7.5. Due to integral, it will give you 7. Now your mid will be on 7. Okay, they will check that mid is 75. They will check that 75 equal to 75. Yes, and you can see that key has been found on index 7. You have to find this one. Okay, key has been found on index number 7. This is the way to apply the binary search. Okay, you must use at the mid. Okay, mid means that will be the middle value between left and right. Next question is, write a Python program that takes a number and print its factorial using for loop. Okay, we will start to write a program. Here we have written a program. Okay, they will get a number. Suppose you are going to enter number 6. They will ask input, and input data type is integer. You will enter 6. Suppose fact equal to 1. Because why fact equal to 1? Because at the first time when I will multiply with any number, it must be 1. Otherwise, if I will put 0, then 0 with any number, it will give you 0. Okay, that's why whenever you will multiply with any number, it should be 1 at the beginning. Okay, this x in range will move from 1 to num plus 1, mean 5 plus 1, 6. They will move from 1 to 6. Okay, and fact equal to fact multiplied by x. What they will do, actually suppose this is x, value of x will be, what value of x will become? 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. Okay, and each time when value of x will become 1, then they will calculate the fact. Okay, fact equal to fact time x, means what is the before factorial? Factorial is 1. You will write 1 multiply by 1, answer is 1. When value of x will become 2, then x is 2, but previously fact value is 1. 2 times 1, it will give you 2. When value of x will become 3, 3 times previous value of fact is 2, 2, 3 times 6. When value of x is 4, 4 times previous value of x is 6, 24. Then value of x, when the value of x will become 5 times previous value of x is 24, it will give you 120. Okay, when they will multiply by next value will become x value is 6, previous value of fact is 120. 120 multiplied by 6, 7, 2. 720? 12 times 6, 72. 720. Okay. After this, once loop will close, once loop will finish, then next line is the print statement. They will show this message factorial of num means 6 is 720. 720. Okay. I will run a program, then I will show you the output. Okay, same program I have written here. Num fact equal to 1, x start from 1 to num plus 1, then multiply by factorial times x. Will store the value into fact, and at last they will show the answer in factorial. Okay, enter the factorial, enter the number is 5, answer is 120. Run it again. If I will enter number 6, they will show answer is 720. I'm going to run it again. Run. If you will enter 10, the factorial of 10 is this. Okay. Next question is, what does artificial means? Describe any 4 positive impact of AI system. Artificial intelligence means to computer system that can perform tasks that normally equivalent to human intelligence. Okay, a machine can work as a human work, such as learning, decision making, and problem solving. Number 1, what will be the positive impact? Improved efficiency. In this way, we can improve efficiency. AI automates routine tasks and speed up work. They will do the work very quickly. Number 2, better decision making. AI analyze large data sets accurately. They can analyze large data sets quickly, and according to that data sets, they can provide the answer or decisions. Number 3, enhanced healthcare. AI helps in disease detection, diagnosis, and treatment planning. Next question is, what are assistive technologies? Provide 4 examples of their everyday uses. Assistive technologies are devices or systems designed to help individuals with disabilities perform tasks more easily and independently. This is the assistive technologies. For example, number 1, wheelchairs. The purpose of wheelchair is to help people with mobility impairment moves freely. If they cannot move, they can use the wheelchairs for the moving. They can move it easily. Number 2, hearing aids assist individual with hearing difficulties. If people cannot hear normally, then they can use hearing technology, hearing assistings. Number 3, screen readers help visually impaired user access digital content. Number 4, speech to text software. Sometimes people that cannot type, then what they can do, they can aid user who cannot type or having difficulties. They can listen only. They can speech or to text software. They can just speak and system will type automatically. Okay. So if you have any doubt or any question, if you are not able to understand, please write me in comment. Okay. Please read it very well, and I need appreciation from your side, and share it with your friends. Jazakallah khair.